Welcome to Vivasil. Waterproofing is one of the most critical, yet neglected concerns, because of the less exposure to concrete technology. Most of the time it is considered as an inconvenience rather than a serious matter. But avoiding it will increase the issue and leave your wall damped in a flood, giving a hideous look to your buildings. It is the right time to get waterproofing done to your buildings. Vivasil Nano UV Seal. No hacking is a solvent-free water-based elastomeric crack repair or roof coating. Highly UV resistance, suitable for horizontal and vertical cement surfaces over concrete, block, brick, cement render, fibrous cement, planter boxes, roof, earth-containing structures. High solid, eco-friendly product. For more information visit our website, www.vivasil.com.